Hello, my friends. Today we are going to show you how to use the pant device to embroider on sleeves. Firstly, we fix the pant device on the table. And then we fix the sleeve. We fix the sleeve on the pant device. Find the right position, and then we use the clips to fix it. And then we take the pant device off. After we fix the sleeve on the pant device, we come to the computer operation first. Firstly, we need to select the correct frame, pant device, and then the machine will check border automatically. After we select the frame, we assemble the sleeve on the pant device and fix it well here and also below. Then we come to the computer operation. First step, select the design we want to embroider. And then second step about change the design direction or change the design size. Here we don't need to change, so we come to the third step, select color. And then come to the fourth step, move the frame to make it embroider at the place we want. We can make the machine check border. We can make the machine check border and see whether the area is what we want. And after that, we can confirm it to working condition and press start button to make the machine working. And then you can press start button and the machine will working.